Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your finances feel like a roller coaster and you're tired of screaming at every twist and turn, you've come to the right place. Today we're going to show you how to navigate financial challenges with confidence. Because let's face it, life throws us curveballs, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can hit them out of the park. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our amazing content. Now let's get started. 1. Acknowledge the challenge. Step 1 in navigating financial challenges is to acknowledge the challenge. Ignoring your financial problems won't make them go away. It's like ignoring a leaky faucet. Eventually, you're going to flood the kitchen. So face it head on. Write down exactly what your financial challenge is. Are you dealing with debt? Struggling with a low income? Facing unexpected expenses? Once you know what the problem is, you can start figuring out how to tackle it. 2. Change your mindset. Step 2. Change your mindset. How you think about money affects how you handle it. If you're always thinking negatively about your finances, it's time for a mental makeover. Think of yourself as a financial superhero. You have the power to change your financial future. Focus on what you can control and look for opportunities instead of obstacles. Remember, it's not about having a lot of money, it's about making the most of what you have. Number 3, create a plan. Step 3, create a plan. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a map, right? Same goes for your finances. A plan gives you direction and helps you stay on track. Start by setting specific, realistic goals. Do you want to pay off a certain amount of debt? Save for an emergency fund? Increase your income? Write it down and break it into manageable steps. 4. Build an emergency fund. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, and it's always better to be prepared. Think of your emergency fund as your financial umbrella for those rainy days. Start small. Aim for at least $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. Eventually, build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Trust me, future you will thank you. 5. Prioritize expenses. Step 5. Prioritize your expenses. When money is tight, it's important to know what's essential and what's not. Think of yourself as a financial detective, on the case to uncover the mystery of the missing money. List all your expenses and categorize them into needs and wants. Focus on covering your needs first, like housing, food, and utilities. Then see where you can cut back on the wants. Sorry, daily lattes. It's not you, it's me. Step 6. Reduce debt. Step 6. Reduce debt. Debt is like that annoying ex who keeps calling. It's time to knock it out. Let's get in the ring and fight back. Use the debt avalanche or debt snowball method. Avalanche tackles high-interest debt first, while snowball pays off the smallest debts first. Pick your strategy and stick to it. Before you know it, you'll be debt-free and doing a victory dance. 7. Increase your income. Step 7. Increase your income. Time to unleash your inner money-making superhero. You've got the power to boost your earnings, and I'm here to show you how. Explore side hustles, ask for a raise, or turn your hobbies into cash. The sky's the limit. Just don't go overboard and start selling your neighbor's dog. That's a no-go. 8. Seek professional advice. Step 8. Seek professional advice. Sometimes, it's okay to ask for help. A financial advisor can offer you personalized advice and strategies to improve your financial situation. Whether it's a certified financial planner, an accountant, or a credit counselor, find someone you trust to guide you through your financial journey. 9. Monitor your progress. Step 9. Monitor your progress. You're the pilot of your financial plane, and it's time to stay on course. Regularly check your budget and goals and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Be flexible, stay focused, and keep flying towards financial freedom. 10. Stay positive and persistent. Step 10. Stay positive and persistent. Financial challenges can be tough, but with the right attitude and perseverance, you can overcome them. Think of yourself as Rocky. You might get knocked down, but you'll always get back up. Celebrate your small wins along the way and keep your eye on the prize. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial stability. Congratulations, you've completed our guide to navigating financial challenges with confidence. Remember, it's all about taking control, staying positive, and making smart decisions. Financial freedom is within your reach. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy saving. Before we go, a quick reminder, if you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best tips and tricks to master your money. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. In